Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes Bootrec fixboot access is denied error in Windows 11, 10. Boot with bootable CD or USB. Click Next, click Repair your computer. Click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type Bootrec /NT60 SYS. Second method is click Troubleshoot, click Command Prompt. Type disk part. Type list disk. Star under GPT indicates the system partition type is GPT or UEFI. Type list part. Part 2 indicates system reserved partition. Type list space, vol. Select your system reserved volume. System reserved volume is FAT32. Type cell vol2. Type assign letter equal to B. Exit. Format V colon space /FS colon FAT32. Type BCD boot space, C colon /Windows space, /S space, V colon space, /F space UEFI. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.